After South Korea has been seeing these resurgence of infections, it's said that its target daily cases is to keep it under about 50 cases. We initially saw it on Thursday drop below 50, but Friday, South Korea reported over 50 cases with 56 new infections, mostly in the Seoul metropolitan area. Now, South Korea has been on edge since it's seen these clusters forming around the capital and surrounding areas, and it's been seeing about double-digit infections for a month. Now, this comes, as you said, after the country had eased restrictions when it had initially thought that it contained COVID-19, and it was seeing about 0 local transmissions for a certain amount of time. But after this, it saw that in the densely populated area of Seoul, that more clusters were starting to come, and this has become a very worrisome issue, even to the fact that the director of South Korea's Center for Disease Control said that the recent chain of transmissions, if these transmissions are not cut off, that the country cannot rule out a massive circulation.